Hey, bye guys. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chassis, and I'm here with another exciting episode of Life and Business Hacks with Chassis Everything. Welcome to my
The truth is, we all need people. No man is an island. Association is really important. The people you associate yourself with to attract amazing people into your life. You want to attract other amazing people. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, the best place for go-getters, dreamers and achievers. It's another episode of Life and Business Hacks with Chassis Everything. My name is Miriam. I'm a student, a wife, a mom, a designer, and of course a YouTuber. Let's go straight into today's topic. I'm sure you are super fired up like me. Like, you can't wait to hear what today's topic has to offer. Today I'll be talking about how to attract the right kind of people. Let's dive in straight up, because I know you can't wait to hear. Just like me, I can't wait to hear what I'm about to say as well. Sounds funny, right? I know, guys. So let's go. Okay, I just want to say a few things for the benefit of people who are watching my video for the first time, for the very first time. I have a passion for helping people, to believe in themselves and, believing in their dreams. And that's part of the reasons why I created this YouTube channel, to encourage people, to motivate people, and to cheer people up for the next level of success. I believe we all have, that gift. We all have what it takes to be successful in life. And, if we apply these life principles, the right way, properly in our lives, we will get there, definitely. So without further ado, let's just go straight to the point today. If it is your first time of visiting this channel, please be sure to subscribe and click on the like button. Don't forget to leave your comments, because I always respond to every single comment made on my YouTube channel. So today, let's just go straight to the point. Before I proceed, I would like to drop these few nuggets. The truth is, we all need people. No man is an island. No man is an island. And when we surround ourselves with great people, we are bound to do greater things. Funny how that works. Association is really important. The people you associate yourself with, the kind of people that you mingle with day in, day out, they affect your thinking, they affect your productivity, they affect how you do things and how you, how you see life generally, how you view things generally. Association is very important, it's very important on how we think and how we act. I don't know about you, but I want to surround myself with amazing people every single day. I want to surround myself with amazing people who want to pursue their worthwhile dreams and aspirations. I'll be sharing tips on how you can attract amazing people into your life. So come with me, let's go. 5 ways to attract amazing people into your life. Let's go. Number 1, be that person. If you want to attract other amazing people, you have to be that person as well. You have to be an amazing human being, you have to be an amazing person. Be what you want. We are often drawn to those that are like-minded. We're often drawn to people who are like-minded, who have like minds, like with us, like us. So be an amazing person. It sounds so basic and simple, but I assure you it is so true. Be that person that builds people up, that builds other people up, not the one who tries and tears other people down. Did I bust your bubble? Let's go straight to the next point, which is number 2. Make that connection. Get good at being genuinely interested in other people. Ask questions. Listen. People are generally drawn to people who are interested in them. It's a basic law of life. So when you have made an effort to make these connections happen, make efforts to reach others and check on them from time to time. Check in on how they are doing on a regular basis. I check on my friends. I reach out to at least 3 to 5 people every single day. You have to check on people. Make that contact. Find out how they are doing. You check on them. Are you okay? How are you coping in this period? How are you staying safe? Are you wearing your mask? Are you avoiding large crowds? Are you avoiding crowded places and all of that? So you should make that connection. go the extra mile, say hi. Just this afternoon, I made friends right here at the pool. I just said hi and they said hello, and then we struck a conversation right before I started this video. So make that connection. People will be interested. And the next thing they said, "What's your name?" And that's where it starts from. It just starts from a simple hi. So make the connection. Don't be shy. Don't be timid. You want to meet amazing people. Be an amazing person yourself. So let's go straight to the next point. Number 3, add value. People want to be around those who make them feel valued. Who add value to their lives. People want to be around those who make them feel valued and appreciated. Show others that you care, that you genuinely care. Point out their strengths, make them feel special, and let them know that you believe in them and what they are doing. Limit your time with people who drain your energy. I can't stress that enough. We all have those people in our lives. We all know that one person or the other who just, drains energy, who drains your energy, is an energy drainer. And it's important to limit our time with people who are not healthy for us. So our mental health is very key. So we have to make sure that we spend time with people who, lift us up, not the ones that tear us down. And that brings us to our next point, which is communicate your vision. We are naturally attracted to people who are successful. And people who are successful and have a clear plan. Get good at communicating your vision with other people. Make the invincible clearly visible to them through your excitement and words, your words of encouragement. Paint a picture of what you want to see so that others can, try to be a part of it. So let's go straight to the next point, which is point number 4. Point number 4, smile. No one wants to be friends with people who seem too serious or too stressed or too uncomfortable. Make an effort to smile. Smile is golden. Smiling will quickly dispel any awkwardness about meeting someone new, because it signals to other people that you have good energy. Smiling acts as magnets, drawing people in and attracting others, who hopefully these people share the same energy. Hopefully they will share the same energy with you. Frown does the opposite of this. When you frown, you kind of push people away from you. Nobody wants to come close to you, so you have to smile. Like I said, frown does the opposite. It repels people. It makes people do the opposite. Frowning blocks out potential friends and associates. Frowning blocks out potential friends and conversations. People will notice your smile before they even hear you speak. So smile often. Emitting positive vibes and good energy, will make you appear warm, more open and receptive to people. According to a survey, a smile is the person's most important physical feature. So make sure you share your smile with people when you meet them. Just smile. It doesn't hurt you. So let's go straight to the next point, which is people are social animals, and no matter how much loner they want to be in good company. Everybody loves good company. Everybody yearns for good company. When we are running a business, we want to attract good clients, in our company, in our businesses. We want to be surrounded by nicer people. And as we all know, not everyone is our type, in quotes. Not everyone is our type, and believe it or not, there's always a type for everybody. Put these 5 tips into practice and watch how people will travel miles away just to be part of what you're doing. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button and leave a comment below. I will respond to your comment. Thank you so much. So for people who are interested in joining my Facebook group, it's called Business Moguls. I'll leave the link to the description I'll leave the link in the description box below. We help to motivate aspiring and current business owners to take their businesses to the next level. We inspire entrepreneurs. We all motivate one another. It's not a one-way traffic. We all come together to encourage one another in our businesses, and we try as much as possible to get people to train us in the group every week. We try. So Please be sure to click on the link in the description below if you want to join my Facebook group. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Be an amazing person, and trust me, you will attract amazing people into your life. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Take care. God bless you. Bye.